This is sparring. Okay, reminder. I always see this happening. Pag may nasipa sa mukha, hindi may kasalanan. Kayo. Bakit? May arm guard kayo. May footwork kayo. Slide back, step back. And you know you're in sparring. So you know you have to protect yourself. Di dahil pagod kayo, tatay lang kayo dyan nakababa yung kamay. So pag go, okay, remember, protect yourself. This is self-defense. Okay? Kaya may arm guard kayo. What's the arm guard for? You block kung di nyo kayang umiwas. Okay? Huwag yung sasaluhin yung sipa. So reminders lang yun. When you start, it's sparring. Masisipa kayo. Kaya alam nyo sumipa. Okay? Face your partner. Turn. Get it. Take your son. Five cents, shot. Go. Shout. Tundugin yung armor. Go, go, go. Integrate kayo dito. Ayusin nyo. Pag malapit sipa, huwag na kayo tatayo dyan. Basta nag-aayos, hanggat naka-go, fighting stance lang, mag-aayos lang ayos. Shout! Sparring ang tahimik! Shout! Ba't naghihintay? Malapit na ako! Sumipa ka na! Malapit! Yan! Sige! Deploy! Basta nag-aayos! Kung sumipa kayo ng partner nyo, kasalanan nyo yan! Shout!
Kalwawa.
Galaw! Galaw! Naghintay kayo, mas tatagal yung oras. Go! Go! Go!
Pagod na.
Go! 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 Naghihintay kayo, maghihintay ako. Go!
Oh!
Watch yourself. Kayo! It's your partner. Sit it. Take yourself. Bow. Get it. Shake hands.